Good evening, everyone, budgeters, family, friends. Welcome back to my journey to save money, pay debt, and budget. All right, tonight we are doing a side hustle stuffing. I do Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Instacart on the side of my full-time job to help with my budgeting journey and meet the goals that I have set for this year. Tonight we are budgeting $474, which happens to be my highest one so far. This is week 8. My money is already set out because this is my 4th attempt at this video. So here we go. Taxes is getting $74. And I do have a breakdown here. I'm not sure if it shows in the frame. Hopefully not. My handwriting's not the best on that, but all right, so taxes now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38. 138 taxes. I have no idea what my taxes are going to look like, so I'm kind of just guesstimating and putting in there. Baseball is getting 20, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, and I will update my trackers after I film. All right, my kid is getting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see these janky $1 bills? Holy moly. 5, 10, 6, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! I'm on a roll tonight. And then my other son will also get 5. He has 25, 30, 30, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. He has not spent any out of his. He is budgeting with me, and he has his own envelopes. He has a $2 a week, save $50, and then he has a Save-Opoly. If you go to the end of my first video, he is stuffing his envelopes. It's awesome, and he's continued with that. 52-week challenge. I got this from Terra Budgets, and it's forward and backwards, so $53 a week. And let me tell you, that is adding up super quick. Awesome. $51, $50, $70, $90, $210, $230, $250, $270, $290, $310, $330, $350, $370, $390, $400, $410, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, $22, $23, and $24. Isn't that awesome? 8 weeks. If you are thinking about doing this and you're hesitating like I did for a while, start now. Look at where I've got in 8 weeks. Start now. Even if it's not this much, start now. That's my advice. Okay, Christmas is getting 20, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, and 60. I gotta tell you guys about a channel. There's a channel. It's called Black and Blue. She's hilarious. And she posted a video today where she got a really cool gift. I don't want to blow the surprise, but go watch her video and see her gift. And subscribe to her. She's awesome. Savings is getting 30. $20, $40, $60, $81, $20, $30, $40, $45, $46. Debt. Guys, I'm excited about debt. Debt is getting $70 tonight because I had such a good week. 51, 150, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 235. Woohoo! It's going to look good on my mortgage update video. Vacation is getting $50. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67. Loving that. Loving that. Self-care is getting 10. I'm going to do a 5 and a 10. Actually, I'm going to do a 10. So 20, 30, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. Self-care. New phone is getting 30. I don't know why I said it like that, but you know, 30, whatever. All right, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87. 87 towards a new phone. So, I don't know, what, 1 billion more? All right, this money is my taxes from 2021. I started my side hustle at the end of November, so that's just for November, December. I have no idea how my side hustle taxes are going to work, so I'm just leaving it there and seeing how it works out. Okay, next we're going to do my box from Tara Budgets. Her Etsy shop is Dogmon Crafts with a K, and she did post some of these yesterday. My guess is they sold out already, but if they didn't, go check them out. Awesome. All right, so I originally pulled a 56 last week for my box, but because I had such a good week, my son pulled another one, and I have 51. So we'll do 55, 56, and I'm off somewhere. 20, 40, oh, 55, 6. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm just doubting myself because I'm usually off on this. All right, and then 51. Let's see. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. All right, guys, that's my cash stuffing for my side hustle. It was a really good week. I can tell you this week has been a little slow, so next week probably won't be as good, but I'm still feeling pretty blessed and grateful. Thank you for visiting. Please consider subscribing, liking, or just commenting even. Thank you so much for supporting me. You guys are making me show up every day and get this done, and I appreciate you. Again, go check out that channel, Black and Blue. She's awesome. And I will see you this weekend for my regular cash stuffing. Goodbye.